Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. So today we are going to continue the first floor. In the last video, I have completed up to this financial manager office. So in this tutorials, I am going to continue this space, creating the space in the app from this finance department office. Then we will continue this other spaces. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys once again, please subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed. Then please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload any videos, you will get the notification of that video. So let us start now. Let us open this app software and let us open the project, which is two floor commercial office project, and go to the system, and you can see I have created so many systems, so many spaces here. So I think I have created for the first floor until financial manager office. Okay, so this is the financial manager. Let us duplicate this. Now create the finance department office. So this is your finance department office, and you can see here the width of this office is 8.5 and the length is, let me check with DLI command. Just type DLI dimension linear and check from here this point to this point, which is 5.8 by 8.5. So just calculate the area, gross area, which is 5.5 by 8.5, so 46.75 square meter. 46.75 square meter, and ceiling height is 4 meter, and this is the office, so it will be same. Go to the internals. So in the internals you can place here number of people. Okay, so for number of people you need to open the RCP. No, not RCP, this furniture layout. So let me open the furniture layout. Okay, from the furniture layouts you can check the number of chairs here. So you can see here so many chairs available, so you just count it and just place it there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total 12 chairs are there, so number of people will be 12. And they are doing the office work. Okay, then go to the wall and windows. So in the wall and window, just select the exposure, which is here, south exposure. So south exposure, the exposed wall gross area is 8.5 by 4. So 8.5 by height is 4, so 34 square meter. Here 34 square meter, and there is one window which is GL8. One window, select the windows here, GL8. Okay, then go to the roof and skylight, then select the horizontal. H means horizontal roof, and the roof area is 46.8 square meter. And then select the expose rule here, expose roof, and then go to the floors. So in the floors you have to select the first option, which is floor above condition space. Okay, your floor is above the condition space, that means okay, and there is no partition, so leave as it is and select, click OK. Okay, here is no partition. Now we have to calculate for the waiting area. Okay, there is one partition here, sorry, there is one partition because this is the shaft, so this area will be partition in this. So you have to select, you can check here 2.4, which is wall partition, so select the area 2.4 by 4. So 9.6 square meter is the partition, because in this shaft there is no air conditioning, so this will be the partition, which is 9.6. So let us open this finance department manager. Finance manager. Finance manager. Finance department. This is finance manager. Okay. So this is finance manager. This is finance department. Not manager. Finance department. Finance department. Okay. Okay, then partition. So select the wall partition which is 9.6 square meter and then click OK. You can change the ambient temperature here. It will be 46 and this will be less than 5 degree less than the ambient. Then condition space maximum temperature will be 41 less than 5 degree and then click OK. Financial manager. Financial manager and finance department. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now click on save. Then go to the waiting area. So for the waiting area, you can see here 7.4 and the length is from here to here, which is 5.2. So go to this, select the finance department, duplicate it, and then first floor waiting area. Okay, waiting area. Just calculate the area, gross area. So gross area will be 7.4 into 5 point, how much it will be from here to here, 5.2. Okay, 5.2 will be 38.48 square meter. So here 38.48 square meter. Okay, and then this is the waiting area, so you can change here just auditorium sitting area. Okay, so you can select this and then you have to go to the internal and select the check the number of chairs here. So in the waiting area you can see here three chairs are here and three here and one is here. So total 7 chairs. So you have to select the number of people here can sit 7. Okay, and they are seated at rest. And then go to the wall and windows. Okay, so there is one exposure which is south exposure and the total area for this exposed is exposure is 7.4 and height is 4. So 7.4 by 4 which will be 29.6. Okay, here 29.6 and one window which is GL1. Okay, so here you can select GL1. Okay, and roof and skylight which is horizontal 38.5 here, 38.5, and then go to the floors. So your floor is above condition space and there is a partition as well. Here you can see the same, this soft, and this is the one also. So 9.6 plus you can add this wall as well. So 0.6 into 4 which will be 2.4 plus 9.6 which is 12 square meter. So here you can place, you can enter 12. Just click OK. Okay, it is showing here. You can see here the exposure area is same as the windows area. So in this case what you will do, you have to increase little bit this because there will be frame and also total gross area will be less than the windows area. So gross area will be little bit more than the windows area. So in this case you have to increase and check. So I am going to increase here, still high. So let us make it 32 and click OK. Still it is high. So let me check what you will do. Just make it 40 and just check it. Still it is high. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it 100 and then I will change here. I'm going to window 1 and you can see the area is 7.4 by 7. Here actually the height is here full height up to the I enter here full height up to the second floor, so it will be only 4. Okay, and width is 7.4. So now you go to this space and select the waiting area and you can change here. You can make it 32. Just check it. Yeah, it is accepted. So just save now. Okay, and then you have to calculate for this conference room. So for the conference room, just go to this waiting area, duplicate this, then you have to rename, which is conference room. Okay, and the width is 8.5 and height is 5.8. So 8.5 by 5.8. 8.5 by 5.8 is the gross area, so which is 49.3 square meter. 49.3 square meter and height is 4 meter, and this is a conference room which is meeting room here. So you can select here conference room, I think is available. Classroom, conference room not available. So I think there will be meeting room, so we have to select that one. Check it. Museum, mall. Okay, meeting room. Where is the meeting room? Conference room. Okay. So this is the conference room. Just select that one. So accordingly, this ventilation requirement will be selected by software as per SRA 62.1 2016. Okay. And then go to the internals. So in the internals, you can enter the number of people, which is here from the furniture layouts. So you can see how many chairs are there, 3 and 3 6. So total 12 14 chairs. So you can enter a number of people is 14 and they are seated at rest. Just select this and go to the wall and windows and you can check the exposure, which is 8.5 and height is 4 meters. So 8.5 by 4, 34 square meter. 4 square meter and 2 windows are there. So just select the windows which is GL9. 2 windows and quantities and which is GL9. Then go to the roof and skylight. So horizontal roof which is 49.3, 49.3, and then floor is above condition space and there is no partition. Because this bathroom is a condition, so there is no partition here. So just click OK and then save it. Okay, so I hope you guys learn how to create the spaces. So from the next class we will continue from this toilet GM office, then we will continue through this all the spaces, remaining space, and then after that once we finish all the spaces then we will create the system. Okay, so I hope you guys learn how to create the space. So thank you for watching my videos. If you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well. Also please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.